Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update error, that is 0xc8000641. So if you are receiving this error code while updating Windows on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Now if you have Windows 11, then click on System and then you will find Troubleshoot option. Now, if you have Windows 10, then click on Update and Security. So when you open Settings, you will see Update and Security. Click on Update and Security, then you will find Troubleshoot option in Windows 10. So click on Troubleshoot and then go to Other Troubleshooters or Additional Troubleshooters. And then in Windows 10, you will find Windows Update over here, and you simply have to click on Windows Update and then you will see the option which says Run the Troubleshooter. So run the troubleshooter. In Windows 11, you will find the run option in front of it. So click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer, and then after the system restart, try to update your Windows 10 or 11. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can use Windows 10 Update Assistant if you have Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So for Windows 10, go to this link. If you have Windows 11, go to this link. So for Windows 10 users, here you can see Update Assistant. Click on Update Now and then run this exe file, and this will go ahead and check for update. Now if there is any update, it will let you know, and then you will see the install option over here. Now if you have Windows 11, then go to this website, and here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Download Now and then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow, and this will also check the, let me close this. Now this will also check for update. If there is any pending update, it will let you know, and you will see the install option. If the Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, go to the download location and then make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then click on Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7, apply, OK, and then run, and then click on Accept and Install, and it will start downloading Windows Update. Now after this, you can go ahead and restart your computer, and you should not receive this error message anymore. Now if this is not working, in that case, reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here and then open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box, click on Notepad, paste all the command over here, and then click on File, then click on Save As. Now go to Desktop, select Desktop over here, and name this file as wufix.bat, and for save as type, select all files and then save it to desktop. Now once done, close this and then go to desktop. Now find wufix. So here you can see this wufix. So make a right click on wufix and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening it as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update, and then Windows Update components, it will stop it, and then it will go ahead and run all the scan. Now this process will take some time. So the scan will take some time. Let the scan complete, then it will go ahead and restart all the services, and once done, you can close this once all the process is complete. Now this process, as I told you, it will take time. Now once everything is done, then you can go ahead and restart your computer. Now after the system restart, try to update your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the next step is to use media creation tool. So in case if nothing is working, use media creation tool to update your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you have Windows 11, go to this website. Windows 10, go to this website. So for Windows 10 users, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. click on next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date. Now if you have Windows 11, then go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now click on accept once again, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and select ISO file, and then click on next and then save it to desktop. So select desktop over here and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop and then open this Windows ISO file, make a double click, and then run this setup file, make a double click, click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. Now over here you can see install Windows 11 option. Click on next and it will go ahead and check for update. Now this process will also take time. Again, before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and then your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive any kind of error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.